Okay, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at how to make money online in the UK for free. I'm going to cover some ways that you can earn money for free, and I'm also going to cover right at the end of the video, I'm going to cover how you can actually go and earn a full-time income online in the UK. Now, although a lot of these methods that I'm going to show you are actually available worldwide, but I'm going to be doing UK specific in this video, and also stay tuned right to the very end. Like I say, the number one recommendation I've got for building a full-time income online is a worldwide opportunity, guys. So stay tuned for that if you are not actually in the UK, but also if you are. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop. We're going to run through a few of them, and we're going to show you exactly how you can make money online in the UK. Okay, so we're going to head on to the desktop. We're going to go run through sort of four different methods that you can actually use to. Okay, so the number one method we're going to be looking at is actually survey sites. So you can go on, you can register for free on sites such as Swagbucks and Feature Points here. These are two that I've actually used and have actually drawn money out. In fact, you'll find that all of these sites that I'm going to recommend, I've made money with all of these sites. And being that I'm from the UK, that obviously does mean that you as a UK resident can go and do this as well. But like I said, many of these sites will do countries worldwide as well. So check which countries they actually go and do. So with these sites, all you do is just sign up for a free account. Some of them you can actually download apps and things on your phone as well. So it makes it even easier to actually go and earn. And all you do is go and actually take surveys, and then you get rewarded points for those surveys. And then you can change those points into money, which you can get through PayPal. So you would need a PayPal account to receive your money, but again, PayPal, that's a free service, so you can just literally sign up for a free PayPal account. That's the first one that I would recommend, obviously, is survey site. Now, there are plenty out there, but like I say, these two are two that I've actually used and actually been paid money out. So that's Swagbucks and Feature Points. Now, I've made more videos about this, certainly a Feature Points one. I've got a whole playlist full of Feature Points, so check out the link in the description below, and I'll put a link up here to the playlist as well, so you can go and check it out in more detail, exactly how it works and how you actually get paid. So that's number one method. The second method is actually passive income. Okay, passive income through apps and things like that. And a site I'm going to recommend is called Honeygain. And then with Honeygain, all you have to do is download it to your Windows computer, or you can download it to a laptop or even a mobile phone. And what it basically does, it works in the background. It collects your unused internet that you don't actually use and actually sells it. They buy it off you and use it for businesses. Now, it's totally legit, totally safe. You won't get any of your details or anything like that, so you haven't got to worry about that. They're just using your spare internet. And again, I get paid monthly by having this running in the background of my laptop and my mobile phone, etc. And again, it's very, very easy. And all you do with this, you just set it up and just go about your business as you normally would. Okay. And again, I've done a whole playlist of videos here that you can actually go and check out Honeygain, which includes payment proofs and how it works and all sorts, and even more tips and tricks to make sure that you can actually get even more money faster. So make sure you check that out as another alternative that you could use. Now, the third one we're going to look at is actually playing games. So you can actually log into certain websites, play games, computer games and that sort of thing. And again, you can play them on your computer or mobile or tablet or anything, any device you've got. And then what you do, you gather coins or points depending on what site you're on. And then you can just change those points into PayPal cash again, and then withdraw them. And Free Cash here, which is one that I have been on and I'd recommend, it's probably my best site for earning cash. I earn about $40–50 per month just by going in and playing a game every now and then. So if you're into gaming, certainly sites like this are really good, and you should be able to maybe even join 2 or 3 different ones of these that you can actually go and earn quite a bit of cash if you're playing games and you're very good at playing games and you don't mind playing games for an hour or so every evening. You could actually earn a reasonable amount of cash, but it certainly won't be a full-time income. Like I say, there are plenty of different sites out there, but Free Cash is one that I would totally recommend. It's fairly new and it's very quick to actually go and earn the points. Okay, and there are again tips and tricks where you can actually go and earn points, more points, even faster. So again, check out the videos I've done on my YouTube channel, and again, I've got a whole playlist of the Free Cash app that you can actually go and look at. Okay, so the last one we're going to look at where you can actually earn just a few pounds per month is testing websites and apps. And this is just one of the websites again that you can use. It's called User Testing, and all you do is sign up, and then you can literally go and request certain apps or websites that you could go and test. It does mean that you will probably have to download some software to actually record your screen and things like that, because they'll tell you to probably go onto an app or to go onto a website and test it out and then give them feedback. So you would be able to have to do that facility. But again, there's free software out there that you can go and grab that you can actually go and do just that anyway. So that shouldn't be a problem. And sometimes these can pay up to sort of 40, 50 pounds per testing that you actually do. So it could be quite lucrative, although you might have to join 2 or 3 different sites to actually make even more money, because you might find that you might only get one offer per month or every other month coming through. So the offers are obviously a lot less on things like this. But again, it's something you can use to go and actually earn a few extra pounds per month. Okay, so we've covered all of the ways that I would recommend that you could go and actually go and earn fast money online in the UK and start for free, not costing you absolutely anything. So if you wanted to actually turn around and actually try and build an actual business online, then there are various ways you could actually go and do that as well. And I'm going to just go through that now, and I'm going to go and give you 3 ways that you can actually do that from day one. Okay, now some of these will require obviously some investment, although a lot of them you can start for free and then build up as you make some money. You can then reinvest that money into tools and software and that sort of thing. That you can actually use to further your journey and build your online business. So the first one we're going to look at is blogging. I would recommend a site called Wealthy Affiliate. Now this actually goes, so I've been a member here since 2018, and this basically goes into training about how you can set up your own website, shows you how to build it. You can actually host your website on the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Again, it goes through all the training there, and some of it you can start actually for free, but you would probably, to get the most out of it, is what I'd recommend that you do is actually go and take the premium membership, because this gives you training right across the board and covers absolutely everything you need to know, including how to monetize your blog, which they do mainly through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you actually recommend and promote other people's products and services. And then what you can actually do, you get a unique link that you can actually put onto your website, onto your blog. And then when people click there and go and take an action, and it could be most of the time it's buying the actual product or services, you would then get a commission for recommending them from your blog. Okay, so that's the first one. If you're into blogging, into writing, that sort of thing, then I would certainly check out Wealthy Affiliate, because you can build this up, like I say, into a full-time income. There are bloggers out there that are earning 2, 3, 4, maybe even £10,000 per month, guys. Okay, but it is something you would have to start and build up slowly. It doesn't happen overnight. Although you can start earning overnight, it would take a little bit of time to get your blog recognized, but certainly a great way to go and build a business from home. So the second one I'm going to cover is YouTube. Now, before you run a mile, so you start to say, I don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be. Not these days on YouTube to make money. So you could obviously start a YouTube channel for free and start making videos. Okay, now there is obviously a certain way to actually go and make them to make it better and so that you get more views, etc. I would recommend taking this free training and webinar and going on that and checking out Matt's free training. I've actually taken his paid training and I've grown my YouTube channel to near enough a full-time income now online alone, and that's without my blog and everything else that I do as well. So this is a great way to start. Again, he will show you how to actually record your videos, and you don't actually have to be on camera. Okay, he has got 9 different YouTube channels, and he only actually puts his face on one particular channel. Okay, the rest of them he doesn't even show his face, and he's making over $100,000 per year doing just this. And again, you could add things like affiliate marketing to that strategy as well and earn even more, guys. So again, this can be scaled up and built into a full-time income. The third one and the last one I'm going to recommend is probably my #1 way at the moment for actually earning online. And again, it involves affiliate marketing, but it's called the OLSP system. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, what it'll help you do is you can actually sign up. Just use the link in my description below. In fact, I've got links to everything here, all different videos and that, and the webinars and all sorts there that'll help you. So check out those. But this is my #1 recommendation. So click that link. You'll be taken through a series of pages, series of videos, and you'll set up your account and it'll show you how to do that. And then you'll come into the boot camp here, and that is just 15 videos, which then runs through exactly what OLSP is. And by doing that, you'll actually earn your first $20 online just for doing that easily. And then you'll go through the other training units here, and all it is you basically will start promoting the products and services that OLSP actually provide. You don't have to do any of the selling. All you need to do is get people into the system. It is really, really simple, and it's, as you can see, it's working really well for me, and I've earned over $1,500 with OLSP already. So again, that is the #1 I'd recommend because people have built this into a full-time income as well, and this will obviously give you in good stead if you wanted to do even blogging and a YouTube channel as well, because you can actually use these the power of affiliate marketing, which you're going to learn here, to actually go and earn more money on those as well. Okay, so I hope you found this video interesting. If you've got any questions, obviously put them in the comments below and I'll gladly try and help you. And remember, I have tried all of these different companies, and I've earned money with every single one of them, guys. So that I know they're legit, I know they're going to pay out and all that sort of thing, which is a big worry, obviously, online, because there's so many scams out there, and I certainly don't want you to be scammed. Like anything, guys, if you do nothing, you will actually earn nothing. It's as simple as that. So you do need to do something in order to earn some extra cash, or maybe start your own business online like I've got. And I'll be there every step of the way to help you. Certainly, if you're joining the OLSP or even Wealthy Affiliate, things like that, I'm in there and you can connect with me, and I'll be there every step of the way and help you if needed. Okay, I trust you found that useful. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to check out this video next. This is the video that will tell you more about the #1 opportunity that I am actually making money at currently. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.